Hey guys, welcome back. So, Johnny Depp may have lost his libel case against the Sun newspaper over claims he beat ex-wife Amber Heard, but his case against Heard herself and her counterclaim against him for defamation remain in full swing in Virginia's 19th Judicial Circuit Court. The two actors are involved in dueling lawsuits. Depp fired the first shot, suing Heard for $50 million in March of 2019 over the Washington Post editorial, in which it's alleged that Heard was talking about Depp when she claimed she had been a victim of domestic abuse. Heard filed a counterclaim for $100 million against Depp in 2020, claiming he had defamed her and attempted to destroy her career, saying she had become the target of a smear campaign that included false and defamatory statements to reporters. This is referring specifically to Depp accusing her of being a liar and a hoax artist. On Monday, Fairfax County Judge Bruce White issued an opinion on several key issues, including efforts by both stars to resolve the case in their favor without going to trial. One issue had to do with whether statements made by Depp, which Heard described as a smear campaign, constitute defamation. These statements include general denials, statements accusing Heard of defamation herself, perjury, and fraud, as well as painting on bruises and perpetrating a hoax. Depp claimed the statements are protected as fair and accurate accounts of what happened, rather than defamation. The court disagreed. According to Judge White, in light of the Me Too movement and today's social climate, falsely claiming abuse would surely injure Heard's reputation in the common estimation of mankind. Therefore, the court finds these statements, the ones accusing her of making false claims of abuse, contain the requisite sting for an actionable defamation claim. He's not saying that what Depp said was false, mind you, just that these aren't statements that depend on the speaker's viewpoint. They are facts, capable of being proven true or false. So, Heard can proceed with her defamation suit against him, and it will succeed or fail based on the evidence she presents. Likewise, White tossed Heard's request to be declared immune from civil liability stemming from the op-ed. She sought immunity for her statements characterizing Depp as an abuser, allegations which are the subject of Depp's lawsuit against her. She claims they are expressions of opinion protected by the First Amendment, rather than defamation. However, again, the court said no. In fact, the court noted that it had previously told her no, and that it wouldn't rule on that issue until after all matters had been tried. The court found that this immunity claim was essentially the same as her declaratory judgment counterclaim, and so would be denied. Last but not least, the judge also tossed Heard's claims under the Virginia Computer Crimes Act, in which she claimed that Depp, either directly or through his agents, launched a nationwide campaign to discredit her. The court found the pleading fails to demonstrate that the social media accounts communicated obscene language, suggested obscene acts, or threatened illegal or immoral acts. Rather, Depp texted statements privately to two of his friends, and Ms. Heard has not alleged that Mr. Depp intended for her to see them. The Virginia case goes to trial in May. Now, it's possible that we'll see more efforts by one side or the other to resolve this case in their favor in order to avoid the weeks of testimony and evidence we saw in the British tabloid case. But the judge seemed determined to allow them both their day or months in court. What are your thoughts? Are you following the case? Are you hoping the court rules in Depp's favor or Heard's? What would truly be justice in this case if you were the judge? Let's discuss in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.